We're going to connect a Microsoft 365 mailbox to Cerb using XOAUTH2 authentication. First, head over to the Entra Admin Center at entra.microsoft.com. Click the New Registration button in the top left. Name the new app, Cerb. For supported account types, we'll leave it at the default of this organization only. Then click the Register button at the bottom. Click Add a Redirect URI. Click the Add a Platform button and select Web. The redirect URL is https:// your Cerb hostname /OAuth/callback. Click the Configure button at the bottom. Now in Cerb, open the search menu and select Connected Services. Click the plus icon, select Build, and name it Entra AD. For the type, use XOAUTH2 Provider. The rest of the details come from the Entra Admin Center. Click the Endpoints button at the top. Copy the XOAUTH2 v2 authorization endpoint and paste it into Cerb. Do the same for the XOAUTH2 token v2 endpoint. Now close the endpoints and copy the application ID. Paste it as the client ID in Cerb. Click on Client Credentials and create a new secret named Cerb. Click the Add button at the bottom. Copy the secret value, not ID, and paste it into Cerb as the client secret. Use the scope from this video's description and click the Save Changes button. Open the services card and click Accounts. Add a new one and select Entra AD. Give it a name, alias, and owner. Then click the blue Link to Entra AD button. You'll be prompted to log in using your Microsoft account and grant consent. After, click Save Changes. Now we'll add the mailbox. Open the search menu and click Email Mailboxes. Add a new one and give it a name. For protocol, select IMAP TLS. The host is Outlook.Office365.com. Set the user to the mailbox. Skip password. Link your Entra AD account. The port for IMAP SSL is 993. Now click the Test button. After a couple of seconds, you should see a success message. Save the mailbox and you're done.